What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to tell you how you can promote ClickBank product with the help of very efficient tool named Buildrall. Basically, what we're going to do, we're going to create a landing page in order to promote ClickBank product. So this is the software that we're going to use, and this particular software name is Builderall. Okay, so this is a very I think this is a very efficient tool, and this tool consists of various elements, various sections which you can basically use to grow your digital business. Okay, so basically this tool contains builders, all sorts of builders like Cheetah Builder, Pixel Builder, Canva Builder, App Builder. You can also install 3-click integration. These guys also have email marketing service like this, so a drag and drop email marketing automation called Mailboss and professional emails. This is also have the software and tools for the engagement of your social media handles, like if you have an Instagram account, if you have a Facebook account, and you have regular customers in your group and you want to respond to them, so this you can use this engagement tool of this software in order to respond them. This is have autoresponder. Okay, also the other section is design. You can basically build every studio, every photo, every professional template in this studio that these guys have. So suppose you want to do the email marketing, and email marketing you need templates. Okay, the copywriting templates, so you can build copywriting templates with these kind of tools. Okay, the other one is report. This basically report helps you on page SEO with your website. If you have a website, you can use this software to detect your on page scenario. Okay, the clip map is the hit map. It basically helps you with the mapping of technical errors. The other one is the DNS manager. It also has VA access. Okay, so all these tools which comes under Buildrall, there's a link in the description. You can sign up for this particular software. It comes with the pricing of like you can sign up for free, but you can upgrade $29.90 to $69.90. So it's a very affordable software when it comes to the tools these guys are providing us. Okay, so today I'm gonna tell you about Cheetah drag and drop website builder. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a landing page, or you can say a bridge page, where we going to collect emails of customers, and we're going to redirect them to our sales page, and we are going to redirect them to the sales page of the ClickBank product that we are promoting. So without wasting any time, let's head towards building our landing page. So as you click on it, it will redirect you on the other half. So as you click on the link, it will redirect you on a new page. So there are two options, published and unpublished. So in under unpublished, as you can see, there is a website, or you can say as a landing page called Law of Attraction. So I created a landing page about a product on a ClickBank that I was promoting before, and today I'm gonna tell you how to build a new landing page. I'm gonna taught you how to build a landing page exactly like that, but from scratch. Okay, so as you click on create new site, the title will come, the description will come. As on click direction, just click on Law of Attraction, and as a description you can also give Law of Attraction. Okay, here you will provide the description of your, and now here from choose the option, you have three options. Okay, the blank template, select a template, select a smart template. So in option of select a template, you will select a template which is pre-made, built by Builderall software. And so we're gonna just click on blank template, so we want to build from scratch. Okay, so as you click on edit site, the one page I already created, and the second one we're gonna do from scratch. So click on create new page, and here you will have name, title, description. Okay, so here you can give any name. So Law of Attraction, as we can save, copy the whole name. We can provide it as a title also. law of attraction as a description. Also, I am telling you this. You should at least put some words in the description. I am just telling you for the sake of example. So here's the page script. Let's just leave it. Okay, with the blank template, we are going with the blank template. And if you really want to do the SEO setting, just put we really not gonna need SEO setting here because we just going to promote with the direct traffic. But for the sake of satisfaction, you can put your keyword in that keyword section, like I put it here, and also in a meta tag, and it just fine. It's just that's how you do it. Okay, just save it, and after saving it, as you can see here, the new page is built up. So as we click on edit page, and the page is basically going to be blank right now. So we didn't choose any template, so it's going to be blank. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create it from scratch, and we going to build a bridge page in order to promote a product. So as it loads from here, let us choose a particular perfect product for the promotion. Okay, so as you go on ClickBank, you should have a account in ClickBank. As you sign up, you will end up on this page. Okay, so as there is a several niche, e-business, e-marketing, education, employment and jobs, games, green product, but we want to be in a spiritual, new ages and alternative ages. Okay, so you can have different sorts of all sorts of categories to promote products, right? But we know our product, so we just gonna click on manifestation. We just gonna type manifestation, and our product will come up, right? And remember, when the product details will come up, you will click on this keyword relevance, and you will sort it by gravity. So what will happen, gravity will sort the product in order that generated most sales to the affiliates will come up on the first position. So it will be sorted like that. Okay, so I think this is the most relevant product. It's had a gravity of 159, so it's a pretty decent gravity we have in here, and we are getting $31.44 for average sale. If you made one sale of the product, we will get $31.44. So it's a pretty good deal, and it also has a recurring income. Okay, so it's a recurring income. It means the more sale you get, if they upsell it, resell it, you will get the commission, whether you made the sale again or not. You made a sale once, you will get the recurring income. So as you click on promote, the new window will pop up, and here's the two options: account nickname, tracking ID. So remember, many people put wrong account nickname, okay, when they generate hop link. And what will happen if they drive traffic to that link with the wrong account nickname? They will not track any sales, they will not track any traffic. Oh, so if people buy from your wrong hop link, you will not get sales. So remember to keep the correct nickname here. Just leave the tracking ID, generate hop link, and here you have your hop link. So this is your hop link. This is the link that you want to promote. This is the link that you want people to get on. Okay, so they buy from this link and you will get sale. Okay, so this is your hop link. Copy from here. So as you can see, we redirected to a new editor page where we can finally build our sales funnel, a lead page, a sales page. And as you can see on the right side of the screen or the dashboard, we have multiple pre-made templates. So all these things that you are seeing here, these are pre-made templates that you can use in any type of sales funnel you want. So what we're gonna use blog. Okay, and in blogs, as you can see, these all are lead magnet, bridge page. So all these things are pre-made templates, right? We're going to scroll down, and we are going to just select I like this one. So just we selected this one and it got imported. So we can change the headline from here, okay, and we can change the image by just clicking on the edit element button. As we click on it, and journal setting, you go on, click on the edit button. So as you can see, we imported a pre-made template and we are going to customize it a little bit, okay. So just click on it. So I'm going to just click on it and delete this. We're going to import our product template, right? The product that we want to promote, we're going to import that template. So just go to elements and then scroll down and just click on image and this one. So we're going to select the first one, and as we do this, as we import this, it will take a little bit time. As you can see, we imported image. So as you click on edit element, we can change alt keyword, we can change the title, and we can also change, of course, the image. So what we're gonna take, I already uploaded an image of my product, the product that I want to promote, and I'm gonna select that image from the library and click on save button. So as I drag this down here on the top right corner, on the as I drag so as I drag it to the top left corner, and I'm doing that because I want to drag it down to fit the screen properly, so it will look properly aligned with the screen and the whole page. And as you can see, we can easily customize all these things. If you want, you can click on the icon button, we can drag and drop, we can change the position if you want. Just click on it, and I want to just change this, go to step, I want to change this text. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this. It's very simple. I'm going to go to headline, and in here I'm going to just edit it. It's very simple, it's very intuitive, it's very, and here as you can see, you can change the font, you can change the color, you can change the alignment. Like I can do this, I can do that. So it's very simple, nothing complicated. And as you click on save, so here I showed you how you can create a simple how you can customize a pre-made template. I just showed you how you can edit, customize a pre-made template from Buildrall software, okay. So you can also change the heading if you want, you can also change the things that you want from here. So as we click on the set link button, as we can click on subscribe confirmation, and here you can put a web page. So I already put it a URL of my product here. As you can see, it's a bit.ly link. So if you don't know about the bit.ly is a link shortener tool, you can shorten the link from there. And so you can track the performance of the link. So click input the link here, click on select, save, and that's how you do it. And you click on save, and your landing page is completely ready. As you can see, the software is asking us, saved, do you want to publish this site? I say that's fine, because I want to publish, I want to show you guys how it looks, right? So go to website, so as you can see our landing page, this is how you will get a sort of animation, beautiful animation you will get when you work with Builderall. And you can also use different types of animation. It is available under the software. It is available inside the software, and I think it's a pretty good, decent tool with this price tag. So this is how you do it. And if you're satisfied with the page, what you can do, you can go here and you can say I am satisfied with this domain. Okay, you can also put the custom domain if you want. I don't think it's necessary, but if you really want to do push the limits, you can put your custom domain in there, and it will be like for the good thing. And remember, all those emails that you will collect in here, they will collect under Mailboss. So Mailboss, if you didn't see before, it is a Mailboss. So if you didn't see before, Mailboss is an email marketing service that these guys provide, and it comes under the same package. So you don't have to pay extra amounts of money to access this kind of tool. So this is a drag and drop email marketing automation which is called Mailing Boss. So every email, also you can create professional emails with this design software. So it's a pretty good and decent software under price because it comes with the various types of tools that you can use to run a digital business or to sell a digital product. So it's an overall thing. As you can see, you can do the on-page SEO. You can have the report of on-page SEO. You can give a VA access, virtual assistant access if you want to some people, and also you can use your this tool to engage with your audience as it provide you with the engagement software, right? So I think it's a pretty decent software to use and to run your digital business. So uh, so every email that you will collect here will land in the email marketing service of this software, which is called Mailing Box. So you don't have to add any extra email marketing service with this software, and I think that's a plus point because most people are just hectic with managing the credentials and all that. So I think this is the perfect thing. If you want me to tell you how to set up this email marketing service, I can make a video on this. Just comment down below and like this video. Tell your queries in your comment. Whatever you want me to make videos on, just comment down and I'll make the video on. And if you want, again, if you want me to make a video on this Mailing Boss software, the email marketing service, comment down below, hit a like, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you the next time.